Make sure you keep an eye out for these cute little witness trees are
Wrong thing. But he was also curious. Captain Jack yearned to visit a fine museum to see what lay behind its doors. But if he got into trouble.
Now they're not doing it, of course. God, it's awful windy too.
He asked his friend Steve, the ship's monkey, how should I behave in a museum?
I guess we can just wait a minute until. No?
Yep. We're back out here in Arcadia again, and as usual, we're going to be explaining one of the amazing. Something bit me.
Yeah, sorry.
I'm here at Arcadia Homestead again, talking about one of the important structures that once stood here. As you can see, we've interpreted what was once a cabin out like that. Dang it, this is 27. Okay. No, just leave it. I'll edit it out.
Okay.
I'm here at Arcadia Homestead again, talking about. Here we have an example of a sherd that has become visible on the surface. And this likely happened because of the rain that we've had lately, or even from mowing the grass repeatedly in this area. But this is an example of when you see an artifact on the ground, just to leave it exactly where it is. And if you feel compelled, it's totally okay to come to the visitor center or the Simpson house to let somebody know that you found this. But for reference, if you're curious, this is actually a pearlware sherd, probably from a shallow bowl or maybe even a plate. And this is such important.
I think we should sing a fun song about life on a farm. This is Old MacDonald. Oh my God, this is a guitar song, and I've got my ukulele.
And somebody honks their horn.
We're out here at the Arcadia Homestead again, and we are still staying at home. So no, we're not doing that. That was